Ever packed a USB charger but needed a USB-C? On embarkation day, do you want to be one of the people in the pool while everybody else is mad? 72% of cruisers pack the wrong way. That leaves 28% of experts that know exactly what to bring. The goal is to turn every first-time cruiser into an expert. I'm Zyre from Petway Travel.
And I'm Jacita with Petway Travel.
Ready? Let's go. Everything from the rooter to the tutor, from the good to the bad, what we bring. I don't know why I said rooter to the tutor, but that's what y'all got.
That's because y'all be tired. That's what you say.
Man, embarkation day is always a long day. And so we hit that wall. We need that over 40 nap. But before we get it, we're going to show you what we got. So I packed a little different this time. I usually take a book bag and as a carry-on, and then take a suitcase as some check luggage. Mm-hmm. But I didn't want to carry as much this time. I wanted to have more fun on embarkation day. So I checked my book bag and I checked my luggage, and I just carried this on board. You did something different. We're going to get to that in a minute. But this is what I brought on board as my carry-on. And I put all my important things in here. I put some chargers in here, so I could charge my devices if they got left. What else did I put in here? I made sure I put some of my medicine in here. So I have diabetic needles, have my insulin, and my pills that I had to take. So I always pack two things of pills. I put one in here, then I put one in my check luggage just in case. So I always bring 2 weeks, and my lens wipes in case my glasses get dirty. And the things that I needed with me are my camera accessories, my portable charger, and then the cameras I actually brought with me are my DJI Pocket. Mm-hmm. You can't see it, but I have an Insta 360 right there, and then I'm recording on my DJI Action. So I think I just brought three and a half cameras with me. But
what's that?
My phone. Yeah,
which we used earlier.
Yeah, you're right.
Hopefully you saw it live.
Yeah. And that's what I walked on the ship with, because you carry the documents in your bag. So go ahead and show them your bag.
Yeah, so he got to downsize.
Hey. Just thank you for letting me downsize.
The regular book bag. The main reason why I always have my book bag with me is because I have a spender file. So I will have the boarding documents for Zaire, for myself. I guess I did do something different, and I had snacks that I brought. Because if you watch some of our other videos, they'll tell you that Carnival does not. They don't have chips.
Yeah, in the deli.
So we go to Deco Deli for a sandwich. You just have a sandwich.
Right.
So we bring our own chips.
Yeah, you got them.
So then I have my tumbler that I will be filling up with ice water and keeping with me today.
Yep.
Oh, that is something new. My tumbler has a handle, y'all. I'm happy about that. I'm excited.
Yeah, I didn't want a handle.
I'm excited about that. So, you know, we are a big fan of traveling into the port city the day before your ship. Mm-hmm. So to prevent us having to go into our big luggage, we always pack the clothes that we're going to sleep in, and then our overnight clothes, our clothes for the port, into our book bags.
Right. So yeah, that's what we do. We take
a book
bag
as the carry-on onto the plane, and for me, the carry-on to the ship.
And so in my book bag, I had my luggage scale. This is key, because I always get my bags like 49.99. Got a magnets on the wall that stick to the wall, because the walls are magnetic.
So yeah, he has clothes.
Yeah. I have my dirty clothes in here, because I just use the throw it in the bag method.
So there's no need.
Yeah.
To share that?
On the floor, right? Yeah. They get the truth from me. They get the truth. I'm going to put my snacks and my candy in there.
One, because I think Zaire has shared that he's a diabetic, so we want to make sure that we have something in case his sugar drops quick. And So his candy of choice this time was Reese's Pieces.
Then some Tums, because you never know you mess with other people's food.
So we have
Just
a tablet.
in case, I have a tablet so I can watch YouTube on there. Then my other camera bag that had my other cameras in it. And then my laptop.
Yeah.
And then some.
Yeah, so for me, when I'm on vacation, I'm on vacation.
And the reason I could check that was because on the side, I have a lock that allows me to lock it and secure it so that I feel safe giving my laptop to the porters and letting them bring it on.
So this is something that Zaire and I have tried. Well, most of my clothes are in here, and I gave him a few outfits for him to put in his. And then we did the vice versa. He has most of his clothes in his luggage with it. Yeah. All right. So this is actually a very special cruise for me because this is the first one that I am doing with my family. And so we wanted to treat them like we do our other clients. So we actually made cruise gifts. Family Vibes was the theme for our cruise with our family. And I have seen packing cubes, and I was like, it's not going to make that big of a difference. It really did make a big of a difference. I don't know what else I'm going to be doing. But I do have 3 packing cubes. So this one actually has my personals in it. We ain't that close. This one actually has my workout clothes in it because I'm very proud of myself, y'all. I'm very proud of myself. For the past 2.5 weeks, every morning I have been getting up and riding our bike. And then I've been walking I've been walking 10 minutes during my lunch break. So I wanted to keep that going. And so I have my workout clothes. This is actually the shoe packing cube. So I have 2 pairs of water shoes and a pair of sandals in this one. So this is our elegant night matching outfit that you will see in a different video. So we're not going to ruin this surprise. And so this is actually my outfit bag for this week. I roll my clothes to help make them fit better and make them fit easier. And just to make sure that I have enough undergarments, I will take a pair and actually roll it inside my shirt so I don't have to wonder, did I bring enough? So I use the roll method. Like I said, I do 2 shirts per bottom. I have some dresses in here. I have a skirt outfit in here. And all of that fit in this one cube. Mm-hmm. So I am impressed. On the other side of the suitcase is where we'll have all of our cruise essentials. And again, some of this is split up between my bag and Zaire's bag. But we have the first aid kit. These are my snacks because I do like candy. And I want to make some sundaes. Oh, y'all. My husband did a very good thing for me. The ginger chews. If you have not tried this, I highly recommend this. For those who are easily prone to motion sickness, these things have been amazing. I bought them for the cruise, but I eat these like candy at home. We have our shower caps. You know what? Like to share people's breath on our food when we're moving between places. I have my hat. It's going to be hot. Y'all, it was hot in Miami today. I should have had this out. But this is our hat. I got me a new waterproof fanny pack because the other one I wore out and it started splitting at the side. So Zaire got me another one. And this one is actually kind of cool because the bottom flattens out. So you can actually put more in here if you want to. We also bought another fan in case I have a refillable water bottle. I have the poopery for, you know what it's for. Oh. So we know that we should not use flushable wipes. So this is a product that we found that we're going to try out this time. It's called Body Fresh. So what they say is that you're actually supposed to get your toilet paper, spread this on the toilet paper, and it kind of turns it into the function of a flushable wipe. So we'll let you know.
That's because Mike Paramore said you need two dry ones and a wet wipe. You can't, yeah. Don't nobody want to be that crusty guy at dinner that don't nobody want to sit next to you. That was your public service announcement.
Actually, Mike Paramore is a very funny guy, so check him out on YouTube. Something else we're going to try is some waterproof playing cards.
All right. And let's go look at my stuff. So she uses the packing cube method. Mm-hmm. I used to use it just throw it in the bag and ball it up method. I got a couple shirts in here with that method still. Yeah, I just doing it at the last minute. But the method I like best, and I suggest everybody try this method.
It's been behind you.
This is the hand it to your wife, let her pack it method. That's the one I actually do.
That is his method of choice for everything, I must say.
Yeah, I hate
I don't know what it is, but he does not like things in his hands.
And if you look on this side, I threw the sealer, the vacuum sealer for the vacuum bag in here. So that's here. Let's open it up. Like Jacita said, we do half my clothes and half her clothes. So here's my suit for Elegant Night. I got one suit in my closet. She gets one time a year I dress up. And that's on cruises. You're welcome.
Well, thank you. You look very handsome when you dress up.
Well, thank you.
My stuff.
Her stuff. Some of her. What is this, babe? Oh, shorts. Pants? Oh, shorts. She gets wear shorts. And then what?
Can you dig it?
Yeah. These are shirts we made for ourselves the other day.
We always try to wear a matching shirt that we make. And so this theme is Can You Dig It? We were actually invited to go to a 70s theme party and we made those.
So this is my clothes here in the bag.
It looks like you have some water shoes in your bag.
Yep. Then I threw my water shoes several places. So what I'm going to do is I wear one pair of shoes onto the ship. Those I like to be actual shoes. The rest of the shoes I'm going to pack are water shoes. So even with my suit, depending on what shirt I'm wearing, I'm going to wear water shoes. Elegant Night, I'm going to wear water shoes. So I'm going to get the ones with the hard bottom on the bottom so that I can wear them around the ship and they just feel just like shoes. And then one pair, so if I wear a black shirt, have the black shoes. If I wear a white shirt, I have the white shoes. I'm going to throw my deodorant in here.
That's a must.
Nobody wants to be that guy. We got backup toilet seat covers in case we poop a lot. Here's the other medicine containers I told you I was going to pack. This was cool. I got this from Life With Us TV. Told me to try this out. This is a Bluetooth speaker watch. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to hook it up and I'll show you what it sounds like this week. Yeah, try it out. One of my thousands of chargers. What I do is I always keep a pitcher of juice in the room. So whenever I want some juice, I can just fill it up. But when I pack, I put our toiletries and small things like extra medicines in here. Oh, these are cool. This is my cologne for the week. Little container. Has a little thing on the bottom. You just put it on the top of the cologne and it fills it up. My toothbrushes, because I like a toothbrush every day. And that shows you how the magnets stick. Get the ones that are 150 pounds. If they don't hold 150 pounds, they're going to slide down the wall. And that's going to hold up the shoe organizer. Got a laundry bag for the dirty clothes. Downy wrinkle release. We've got hand sanitizer in here, and if we want to bring something back to the room, we've got Tupperware containers because what we found out is that the cookies are not offered every day. So if we find something we love, we can grab some and throw in the container. And then a loofah, because soap here on the ship does not lather well. So this helps to lather up pretty good. It's $1 at Dollar Tree.
Thanks for hanging out with us. check out this next video about your must-haves for your next cruise.